What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can get Twitter in dark mode on your iPhone or Android. Okay, so this is going to be really good if you tend to use Twitter a lot, especially at night, because it's going to be a lot easier on your eyes, or if you just prefer the look of dark mode in things, and then this should be great. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and load up your Twitter application on your device. Once you're here, you then want to make sure you're on the home screen, and you want to go ahead and click on your icon in the top left hand corner. Once you're here, you then want to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. And then you want to go ahead and click on display and sounds under the general settings, and here it will say night mode, so you can go ahead and click that on or off depending on how you like it. I personally like it on, so I'm going to keep it on. Now there is a quick way of accessing the dark mode, and you can do this by going all the way back and make sure you're on the home screen. You then go ahead and click on your icon again in the top left, and where the moon is in the very bottom left hand corner, you can go ahead and click on that, and that's going to activate dark mode either on or off depending on whether the moon is filled in or not. And that is all you need to do in order to activate dark mode on your iPhone or Android. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.